So you understand that you need to start leveraging video to build your business, perhaps on YouTube or other social media platforms, but you're not quite ready to put your face out in front of the camera. Well, hey, this is Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com. In this video, I'm gonna give you 4 different ways that you can start leveraging video to build your specific business that doesn't require you to be in front of the camera. Now, some of these will work better for different business models depending on what your offer is and who your niche, who your target audience is. Get started with doing some things that your face is not involved, but depending on the industry you're looking for, you may have more success when you eventually you get comfortable enough to get your face in front of the camera, because it builds a know, like, and trust factor better. And you need to have know, like, and trust factor before people are ready to make purchases. So if it makes sense for your audience, you do want to work towards that. That being said, there are lots of people online who've made a lot of money with videos that don't show their face. So it's not required in order to start bringing in money and to create a solid business. So number 4 would be hand-only videos. These are really great for tech reviews when you're working with a physical product that you're reviewing. Often you see this a lot in tech videos, but really any kind of physical product that you are reviewing or taking a look at, it works great where you have the camera set to just your hand so your face is not involved. You can also do this nicely if you're promoting anything that's related to food or food prep, so that you can shoot videos of recipes, teaching people different recipes, utilizing the tools or the types of foods that you're promoting. It works really good. I don't know how many videos I've sat and watched, and it's simply a camera looking down at a bowl. That is the shot, and it's just hands moving in and out, mixing, adding different ingredients, and it works really well. Number 3 is PowerPoints. Now, this is really great for basically any sort of informational type video. So you can create a PowerPoint that gives the information that you're looking for. You can have screenshots in there. It can be just text-based. You can have pictures in there, whatever you want, and then you're basically just recording you going through this PowerPoint with your voice talking over it. So it is a great way to give fabulous information in a way that doesn't show your face. Number 2 is simply screen sharing. Obviously very similar to, say, doing a PowerPoint. However, you're not necessarily using PowerPoint. You're sharing your screen. You could be showing off different websites, doing tutorials, maybe video editing tutorials, Photoshop tutorials, whatever you want to work with. You can share your computer screen and use it as a teaching platform or a way to introduce people to different websites or resources. This is a great type of video and people honestly love it. You can give great value that builds that know, like, and trust factor, builds your audience, and leads people to make a sale. Number 1 is voice only, kind of professional style videos. Now, these are honestly great for any type of informational type content. And I've recently started playing with this myself. I found a great new software that I was introduced to, and it is super simple. You can use your own photos, your own videos, or stock photos or stock videos that will be playing on the screen, while you can add some text if you want. You add your voiceover, and you can actually create a really cool video. I'll make sure that there's an info card here, shows a video that I recently shot that gives you an example of how this works. It's really super simple. So if you've heard of something like Canva for photo editing or graphic design work, this software that I found is really like Canva, but for video editing, allowing average people to really create professional level videos. So if you are interested in this sort of thing, I think it's really cool. I played with it. I really enjoyed it. And it was also simple and intuitive, which is always a go-to because I do not have time to go through like extra tutorial videos or anything like that. I need to get into it, and it just needs to make sense. I need to just use it. So if you want to check it out, I'll make sure if you open up the description, you've got a link in there that you can click and get access to this software. There is a free version. You can try that out and see if it's something that makes sense for you and your business. Now, for more help to help you really pull together the entire online business process, help you to grow and to scale, I do have some training. Top link in the description. You can click on that link to get access to that awesome training for you. Now, please know that we are rooting for you. We're here on this channel. We created this video to help you create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. So if this is the first video you're watching, you gotta subscribe, hit the bell for notifications so that we can help you create that time freedom. Again, this is Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com. Head over to the next video here. If you're sticking around YouTube, you should watch this one next, and I'll see you soon.